Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to add a photo on a video in Capcut. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up the Capcut for you, and here is one of my projects. I will add a photo into this video. Alright, so it's very simple. First of all, you need to tap on the overlay button right over here. So tap on the overlay and then just again tap on the add overlay button. Alright, now you need to select the the photo you want. So for my case, I will select this photo and then again tap on the add button right over here. Alright, as you can see, we got the photo in front of the video and it will show up in this time frame. Alright, you need to first adjust the time frame you want to show this photo to the video. So for my case, I will adjust it like 1 second, and that's pretty much it. And then you can also select this and make it zoom out and also replace the photo as you're wanting. So for my case, I will place it in that way. And then again, if you just tap on the animation button, you will see different types of animation that you can add to the photo. Alright, so let me just add one of the animation. So here you go. So as you can see, if you just go back and play the video, so as you can see, that's how the photo appeared. So that's how you can simply add a photo on a video in Capcut. So hope this video helps you out in many ways. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not. And I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.